Hey loves, in today's video, I will be reviewing the B Color Extra Long Stiletto Fashion Nails from Dollar Tree. I purchased the B Color Extra Long Stiletto Fashion Nails from Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. Each pack comes with 12 nails. These nails run quite large, so it would take 2 packs to create one set. These nails are quite sturdy. Here I am doing my bend test, and as you can see, it has very little give, which is great, which means it should last longer and give you a nice amount of wear time. To prep my nails, I am starting off by gently filing my sidewalls and cuticles using a needle bit. Now I am buffing my nail to remove any natural oils. Also, buffing will help your nails stay on longer because your adhesive will have a better surface to stick to. With an alcohol pad, I am removing the nail dust and dehydrating my nail plate, which will make my press-ons last longer. Lastly, I am gently pushing back my cuticles to ensure that my nails have a proper fit. I applied my nails with the Ivtor adhesive nail tabs, but if you want to wear them longer, I recommend the Kiss brush-on nail glue. I purchased these really pretty gold butterfly foil nail stickers on Amazon. They are from the Bangcool 22 sheet foiled butterfly nail sticker set, and it was $10. These nail stickers are so thin and they are very sticky. Once I placed it where I wanted it, it did not pop up at all. I am also trying another new product that I got from Amazon. This is the Hisenlee 12 color Caviar Beads set, and it was $12. Since the Caviar beads are a lot smaller and thus more lightweight than the crystals, I will be adhering them to my nails with the Aimeili Builder Gel. I am using my pointed tweezers because these caviar beads would not stick to my wax pencil, but since they are so tiny, the precision of the end of the tweezers made it really easy to place them exactly where I wanted them. I just realized how many new products I used in this video. After curing my nail for 30 seconds, I am now going over it with the Aimeili No Wipe Top Coat, which is amazing by the way, and it comes bundled with their Builder Gel. I'm going to cure this nail for an additional 30 seconds and then I'll be all done. I think the gold and hot pink color combination of these nails is so pretty. The top coat did an amazing job of sealing in the caviar beads. They are not going anywhere. I quickly want to talk about the recommended removal process that's on the back of the nail box. This is only going to work if you're using adhesive tabs like I'm using in this video. If you're using nail glue, I recommend that you gently buff the surface of the nails and then soak them in nail polish remover. Then gently peel the nails off. And here are my nails. I had to get a shot outside just so you could see how shiny and bright these gold butterfly stickers are. And this gold pink color combination is so pretty. I will list all of the products I used in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!